6 non-sexual advice you need to hear in 2022. So this is going to be our today's topic. So ladies and gentlemen, so without any further delay, let's start our today's topic. Advice number 1 is do not spend so much time trying to be more physically attractive in order to just impress your crush rather than making yourself mentally attractive. Educate yourself, address your recurring toxic thoughts, deal with your insecurities and learn to be happy on your own. That's attractive. Advice number 2 is normalize saying no without needing to over explain yourself. If someone is offended by your boundaries, that's their problem. The best weight you'll ever lose is the weight of other people's opinion of you. Advice number 3 is don't subscribe to other people's definition of fun. Fun doesn't have to mean drinking, partying and socializing. Fun can be night in alone, getting lost in book, a deep conversation, a walk, creating art, playing music or doing your work. Fun is yours, you define it. Advice number 4 is before you get married, discuss bills, parenting style, credit, debt, how to deal with family, what belief will be installed in your children, childhood traumas, sexual expectations, partner expectations, financial expectations, family health history, bucket list, dream home, career and education, political view and whatever else come in mind. Love is not enough. Advice number 5 is the age of 15 to 30 is a golden era of your life. You make friends, you lose them too. You make mistakes, correct them too. You fall, you fail, you learn, you realize, you hit reality, you fall in love, you get hurt too, you lose yourself and eventually become stronger. Remember, these are the best years of your life. You should understand the difference between enjoying it and ruining it. Advice number 6 is heal before having children so your children don't have to heal from having you as a parent. So that's it for our today's video. I really hope you learned something the valuable lesson from this 6 advice. If you do, then please subscribe to our channel because we upload more videos like this one. So thank you for watching this video until this end.